Most people trying to start a digital marketing agency, a local consultancy, or an AI lead generation business in 2026 make one massive, exhausting mistake. They buy a generic phone list, scrape some cold emails, sit down, and spend 8 hours a day cold calling local business owners. They sit through hours of rejection, getting yelled at or hung up on within 4 seconds by stressed business owners who just want them to stop calling. This system is broken. It burns people out in 2 weeks and it holds you back from building a real business asset. Cold outreach like that is dead. Business owners are bombarded with calls, receptionists are trained to block you, and the rejection rate is nearly 99%. You are trading your energy and time for minimal returns, building a high friction business process with zero scalable systems. That burnout engine you see on the screen, the high friction, the decreasing calls, the critical campaign health, that is exactly what happens when you follow outdated tactics. There is a better way. We call it the asset model. Instead of selling an abstract promise over the phone, we deploy high leverage digital assets. The model is simple. Use Google Maps for high intent led discovery, build a clean automated quote funnel mockup in under 5 minutes, and use permission based outreach to get 100% inbound traffic. Now, you aren't begging for time on a cold call, you are handing a tangible asset to an owner who. Step one is target acquisition. We are targeting high ticket local services, not massive national brands. Landing just one single new customer for these niches is worth £1,000 to £3,500 in pure profit to the owner. Open Google Maps and search a neighboring city for roofing contractors or private dental clinics. As you scroll past the paid ads, look specifically for listings with solid 4-star or 5-star reviews, but literally no website linked on their profile. They are actively driving traffic to that profile, but driving zero customers. This is a massive lead leak and represents millions lost across the UK daily. To ensure a big client value, we focus only on niches where the profit margin is high and the demand is urgent. Think about it. Roofing, £2,000 profit per job. Tree surgeons, £1,200. Private dental, £3,500. Plumbing, £800. When a homeowner has an emergency roofer need, they aren't looking for a flashy 10-page blog. They want an immediate estimate form that functions on their phone. If that roofer's Google listing is broken, they are losing £1,000 customer down the street. This is what that leak looks like in real time. We audit the target's presence and discover a red alert. If they have an outdated website or no mobile-friendly instant form, they suffer a minus 78% bounce rate. Mobile experience is poor, slow response times, and zero lead capture. Competitors win every time. We make a list of 10 to 15 of these high-value but broken funnel businesses. Now, for the leverage, step two is where we build a tangible asset before we ever contact them. Using modern AI builders and proven frameworks, you are going to duplicate a high-converting, mobile-responsive quote capture funnel. You plug in their real business name, their local reviews, and an automated quote request form. You aren't coding. You aren't spending weeks designing. You are deploying a finished asset in under 5 minutes with zero technical friction. Now you have something real and branded ready to hand over. A critical element of a high converting asset is social proof. We make that plug and play. Using our social proof engine, you dynamically link 3 or 4 of their verified 5-star Google reviews straight into the header of the funnel you just built. When the owner sees their own reviews beautifully presented in a modern cyan interface, they see instant trust and authenticity, which is exactly what their customers need to buy. The final funnel is a masterpiece of efficiency. It's a clean, frictionless, multi-step estimate engine that captures the customer's intent. 1. Postcode. 2. Service type. 3. Instant estimate. This converts casual mobile traffic into qualified estimate requests in under 60 seconds. It's optimized for mobile devices, uses smart logic, and shows higher conversions than any outdated contact form. Now you have a working branded solution ready for delivery. Step 3 is getting this asset into the owner's hands without making a single cold call or sending spam. The permission protocol means you never send cold video links, unsolicited attachments, or generic sales copy. If you send unsolicited links, your email lands in the spam folder or the owner deletes it thinking it's a virus. Instead, we send a polite 2-sentence permission hook via email, social DM, or a contact form. Hey Fred, noticed your Google listing doesn't have a quick mobile quote capture funnel like Smith's Roofers. I mocked up a quick video preview showing how to plug that leak so you stop missing estimate requests. Mind if I drop the quick preview link over? That is permitted outreach. When they reply with, yes, send the link, or what is this, they have requested the link. Now you hold their attention asynchronously. Now you record a clean, professional 90-second Loom screen recording. Spend the first 20 seconds showing their leak on Google Maps. Spend 40 seconds clicking through the custom AI funnel mockup you built specifically for them. Then spend the final 30 seconds giving them a friction-free binary choice. If you want your web guy to build something like this, feel free to copy this layout. Or if you want this system hooked up to your phone and email this afternoon, it's a flat setup fee plus hosting. Let me know and I'll send the invoice. This is a real business with predictable math. You charge a flat £250 setup fee to deploy and link the funnel to their listing, and then a £50 per month retainer for hosting, form routing, and basic multi-channel support. If you land just 4 of these clients a month, you are generating upfront cash flow plus an additional £200 in compounded monthly recurring revenue. You have built a steady monthly baseline with 0 overhead, 0 employees, and a global opportunity. Your recurring revenue compounds into predictable cash flow. Within 3 months of landing just 4 clients per month, you have £3,600 monthly recurring baseline. Within 6 months, you are scaling past £7,200 per month recurring. You have 0 overhead, 0 inventory, and a sustainable income stream that allows you to scale the business further or focus on specific profitable niches with scalable MRR. If you want the full implementation blueprint, including the exact 2-sentence permission scripts, the 90-second Loom breakdown template, and the done-for-you funnel snapshot so you can deploy this business today, everything is waiting for you inside the AI Income Crew community for just $7 a month. You get direct access to the core digital marketing foundations training, the weekly live builds, and all our proven scripts. Plus, every single Thursday at 7:30 p.m. UK, we get on a live implementation call where we tear down real business models, review member setups, and answer your questions live. All calls are fully recorded, and you have access to the full growing library as long as you are a member. This single resource alone could be worth millions over your career. Click the link in the description below, join the crew, and let's start building. I'll see you on the inside.